We call it our tiered safety huddle program, and it has been very instrumental, I think, in improving our safety and quality. That starts at the unit level. So every morning and every evening, if you're a clinical unit that's open 24 hours a day, then there's a huddle with your teams that talks not just about the census of the unit at that time, and how many patients you have there, but what are their specific needs, and are there any safety concerns that have happened in the last 24 hours that need to be escalated? Then every morning, we have a series of huddles that move through the leadership chain. So after tier 0, we have a tier 1 huddle that starts, and that's all of the leadership in the facility. So each of those unit leaders comes to tier 1 huddle and reports out any safety concerns or items that they need escalated, whether that's a failed piece of equipment, whether that's a patient that's had a poor experience that needs some follow-up on. Nothing is too small to bring to safety huddle. And hopefully we can solve the problem right there in that tier 1 huddle. But if not, we go to a tier 2 huddle, and that's a market-based huddle. So what I mean by that is then all 5 of our CommonSpirit hospitals in Utah meet on a call. And if it can't be solved at tier 2 huddle, then we actually have a region huddle that's a tier 3 huddle. So it's not only to escalate and fix issues in as real time as possible, but it's to share those learnings so that if one hospital is having an issue, we share those with our sister facilities. Our responsibility as leaders after those tiered huddles is to go back to the staff and say, thank you for reporting. This is what we are doing to try to fix the problem today, so that the teams also feel like, okay, I said something and it got listened to, and we're trying to do something to fix it.